Mergim Shabnaz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear donors of the Auruba Yardim Bakfi, we send our warmest greetings and heartfelt thanks from Bangladesh. Today we gather here to inaugurate the Mergim Shabnaz water well, a source of hope and relief for our brothers and sisters living in this region. With the support entrusted to us, this well will soon provide clean and life-giving water to the people of Monnepara village, benefiting 35 individuals who have long been in need. We express our sincere gratitude to our beloved donor who chose to gift this well in honor of Mergim Shabnaz, celebrating his 30th birthday with an act of kindness that will continue to bring blessings for years to come. May every drop of water that flows from this well be a source of healing and mercy for all who use it. As stated in the Noble Quran, whoever saves a life, it is as if he has saved all of humanity. Surah Al-Ma'idah. This beautiful act of charity reflects that the spirit of mercy, compassion and generosity taught by our faith. May Allah SWT bless our donor abundantly, grant peace and prosperity to Mergim Shabnaz, and make this water well a continuous source of Sadaqah Jariyah for all involved. We pray that this well becomes a means of joy, healing and hope, just as noted in the donor's heartfelt message. This water well opened in your name on your 30th birthday brings hope to many lives. Happy birthday, my love. May its water, like your beautiful heart, bring healing to everyone it reaches. May Allah accept this noble deed and reward it in the best of ways. Assalamu alaikum. Allahumma amin. Rabbana atina fid dunya hasanatan wa fil akhirati hasanatan wa qina azaban nar. Rabbirhamhuma kama rabbayani sagira. Allahumma rabbirhamhuma kama rabbayani sagira. হে আল্লাহ, মেরগিম শাবনাজকে আপনি কবুল করে নেন। হে আল্লাহ, মেরগিম শাবনাজকে আপনি বাংলাদেশে বেশি বেশি কাজ করার তৌফিক দান করুন। হে আল্লাহ, এই টিউবওয়েলের পানি দ্বারা মানুষকে উপকৃত হওয়ার তৌফিক দান করুন। হে আল্লাহ, এই টিউবওয়েলের পানি দ্বারা মানুষকে রোগ বালা মুসিবত থেকে দূর করুন। কালেমা তয়্যব লা ইলাহা ইল্লাল্লাহু মুহাম্মাদুর রাসূলুল্লাহ। কেউ হাসাহাসি করেন।